Sometimes we buy cars and get excited and say, yeah, we can fix that. And then the car sits in the driveway on jacks, rusting away. You walk past it every day, and every day you think about fixing it. But sometimes it's just not worth it. So it's time to let it go, and time to say goodbye.
Welcome to the 1-year anniversary of our shitbox. It doesn't run, it's broken, and it has a lot of parts that are rusted. So, as anyone would do, we bought another one. Well, 5 months later, welcome back. This is the new car. This.
Production.
Well, looks wise, the car is really good. We fixed some things for MOT. My brother drove it for 3 days until he went on the highway and this engine said goodbye. As you can see in this example, we have a perfectly fine subframe. It only has a small hole here. It's a bit rusted, so we're going to restore this one. Well, this one actually looks fine, but it isn't fine. Beneath here is a big hole of rust. So let's move on to the next part that isn't good on this car. And it leads us to the last part of the car. The rear. As you can see, it's all crooked. We removed the rear bumper and it had a lot of damage we could not repair. So at least there's one thing to do with the car, and that's take it apart. Well, one thing is actually good, and that's the engine, I hope. We're going to take this one out, do some maintenance on it, take it apart to see if it's actually good, and put it in the other car. So that's step one. Well, the engine is out. Now all that's left to do is to put this engine in the other car. But that's something for our next episode, so stay tuned and make sure to subscribe. See you next time.